We will now discuss about democratic institution. Now, what is democratic institution? In a representative democracy, the people remain sovereign. The people assert and exercise this sovereignty through democratic institutions, such as election, recall, referendum, plebiscite, public opinion and freedom of assembly. Now we discussed about election. What is election? It is one way of controlling the formulation of public policies by the people is the method of election. Through this democratic institution the electorate or voters temporarily entrust the reins government to the person or persons whom they believe will promote their welfare. Election is important to express the sovereignty of the people. Election is well defined by one of country's leader as the means by which the people choose their public officials for definite and fixed periods and to whom they entrust, for the time being, as their representatives the exercise of the powers of the government. Second, what is recall? It is another democratic institution by means of which the people could control or influence the conduct of public officials and their policies as the recall of an elected government official. It is defined as the procedure of removing an elected public official from office before the expiration of his term. But there are limitations because only local elected officials may be the object of recall on the ground of loss of confidence. Local elected officials such as governor, vice-governor, mayor, vice-mayor, congressman, councillor, barangay chairman and barangay kagawad. Third, what is referendum? A democratic institution known as referendum is an electoral device through which the voters are consulted by the government leadership on some proposed legislation or public policies. It has the effect of suspending the effect of a bill passed by the legislature until the consensus of the electorate is sounded off in the referendum. The referendum result is mandatory, while in others it is only an advisory. Likewise in the Philippines, the result of referendum is advisory in nature. Fourth, what is plebiscite? Plebiscite is an electoral device for submitting vital issues to the electorate for approval and disapproval. Such issue may include, but not limited to, a ratification of a constitution, amendments to a constitution, or cession of a state territory. Unlike in referendum, however, the result of the plebiscite is mandatory, that is, the decision of the electorate in the plebiscite is final. There is no other way but to obey the will of the people. Fifth, what is initiative? As it is conceived therefore by Section 2, Article 17 of 1987, Philippine Constitution, the electorate may directly propose amendment to the Constitution through initiative upon petition signed by at least 12% of the total number of registered voters through the country, of which every legislative district must be represented by at least 3% of registered voters therein. Initiative in the Philippines is only for amendment of Constitution. Sixth, what is public opinion? It is defined as the expression of attitude on a social issue. The expression of public opinion is one of the effective democratic tools of the people in shaping public policies. Last but not the least, what is freedom of assembly? It is also a tool for shaping public policies. By this freedom is meant the right of the people to peaceably assemble and to seek redress of grievances from the government. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.
Created using Powtoon.